Ever wondered if Hellotickets.com is truly safe to book your flights, hotels, or tours, or if it's just another travel site that overpromises? We decided to take a deep dive into Hellotickets to separate the facts from the hype. Hellotickets has been operating since 2017, which gives it a few years of presence in the online travel space. But longevity doesn't automatically guarantee reliability. On Trustpilot, it holds a 4.4-star rating, and while many users praise smooth booking experiences, instant email tickets, and quick support, there are also reviews mentioning delays in customer service responses and occasional booking mix-ups. The company is publicly registered, with founders Jorge Diaz-Largo and Alberto Martinez listed openly, which does add a layer of transparency. But some users have reported mixed experiences when reaching out for assistance. Hellotickets maintains an active presence on social media, including Facebook and Instagram, and their posts show engagement, yet the interactions are mostly promotional rather than purely informative, which can make it hard to fully gauge real customer satisfaction. When testing their support options, there is both email and live chat available, and while responses are generally prompt, some questions take longer than expected, leaving a gray area between efficient service and occasional delays. The website itself is functional and visually clear, but like many travel platforms, hidden fees or unexpected booking conditions can appear during checkout, so caution is still advised. Overall, Hellotickets presents itself as a legitimate travel booking platform with real infrastructure, social presence, and customer support, but experiences vary, and it isn't flawless. If you're considering using it, it's worth weighing both positive experiences and the occasional reported issues. Whether you're booking a last-minute flight or planning a vacation months ahead, Hellotickets may work well for some users, while others might encounter hiccups along the way, so proceed informed and always double-check booking details before confirming.